everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change currency on Airbnb. When browsing stays or experiences on Airbnb, prices may appear in a currency that's unfamiliar to you, so this can make it difficult to understand the real cost or compare listings accurately. So the good news is that Airbnb allows you to change the displayed currency easily, so make sure to follow along till the end. Launch open the Airbnb application or website on your device and log in. After you're inside the home page of Airbnb, go to the bottom right corner or at the top right and just find your profile button and tap on it. After you're inside the profile section, tap on Account Settings. Once you're in the Account Settings page, click on Payments from the menu. Under Payments and Payout, go to the top right section and tap on the currency listed. Now, select a different currency you want to change to for Airbnb account. Choose the currency you want to use, and then you'll be able to see the currency changed at the top right immediately after you do that. So now, all prices across the site will now be shown in your chosen currency. If it does not, then you can refresh the application or the website, and that's it. That is how you change your currency on Airbnb. Changing the currency only affects how prices are displayed, not how hosts are paid. So your bank or card provider may still apply exchange rates or fees during payments. So that is how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.